Hello and welcome everyone to another update video on this channel about Bitcoin, Ethereum and Quant. My name is Daniel and as always I'm showing you all of my expectations and price targets for those coins, Bitcoin, Ethereum and Quant. And I want to of course tell you a huge sorry. This was only because I lost my phone in Barcelona and I needed to fly to Vienna to make an advertisement clip for the actual Outsmart project, which I'm working on for the last few weeks. So it was very important for me. And meanwhile, my camera was here in Malta. But as you can see, I'm back. And that means that I will be here on daily basis again for you. And if you don't want to miss out on that in the future, don't forget to leave a subscription down below this channel and enjoy the video. And today we're starting here straight on Ethereum 1 hour time frame, and as you can see, nothing did really change since I started my holidays. And yeah, we are still following my expectation that this is an ABC correction towards the downside. And as you can see, technically we missed the target for a few dollars, but the chances in my opinion are still very good that we are coming down to reach it. Yeah? So what that basically means is that I'm still in my short position, which I scaled up here slightly below $2,000. And when I look here at this chart trajectory, in my opinion, it's more likely that we are coming down once more in a fifth wave, which should reach a target between 1670 and 1735. So as long as we're not breaking above 1845, I'm practically bearish here on this chart. If we would break above it, I would take some profits off my short trade or cash it out even. And yeah, even if we're zooming in here on the 15 minutes time frame, there should be a movement towards the downside in my opinion in any case. If we are moving down heavily, we are following most likely this trajectory, which I'm expecting here for the last 3-4 weeks. If we are coming down now correctively, I will possibly also take partial profits of my short position, and in the moment we would extend above 1845, I would close down my short positions at all. Yeah, so that is practically the tactic which I'm following right now, because I'm in the imminent short term in any case bearish. On the 1 hour time frame, I'm bearish as long as we're not breaking here above the wave 4 high. Yeah, and as you can see, we came up pretty impulsively, so that's a thing we need to watch at least, or to take into consideration that the bottom could be in, but I'm still tending more to a lower low in a wave 5 of C. Let's now jump over to the Bitcoin USD chart. And as you can see, same expectation which I'm following for Bitcoin. As you can see, we reached the target for Bitcoin. Yeah, so we didn't miss it for a few dollars like we did it for Ethereum. We did reach the target, but I'm still tending more to a lower low option here, because this is right now a 3-wave move. And yeah, actually the move towards the upside was not impulsive enough for me, which we saw here. So that's why I'm counting it as a wave 4. And this means that I'm expecting still another dip towards the downside in a fifth wave in the target region between 23,300 and 25,800 US dollars. So as you can see, nothing did change. And yeah, in my opinion, if we would break above 27,800 US dollars, so the previous wave 4 high, it would practically reduce the likelihood of us coming down once again. If we're zooming in the 15 minutes time frame, you can see that this right now can be an ABC correction done, yeah, and we are moving up from now, but it's not too likely at all in my opinion. What this was is a wave 1, so now we got a wave 2 with an A undershooting B and C wave, so now there should be a wave 3, 4 and 5 of this fifth wave. And that should then basically finish off here this whole movement. If we are focusing here on the upside move, it was pretty 3-wave, pretty corrective. Yeah? So that's why for Bitcoin specifically, I'm not really focusing on the upside potential too much. Yeah? For Ethereum, it looks a little bit slightly more bullish because we got a potential impulse here at the beginning, what we did not get for Bitcoin at all. Yeah? So Bitcoin is looking a little bit more bearish even here in my perspective, but in both options. We are so close to the bottom for Bitcoin and Ethereum. Rather we get one last dip down or we turn up from here. I would actually prefer the dip towards the downside. That's why I'm still in my short position. But as you know, there is no guarantee in financial markets. I will keep observing that and keep updating you about that on a daily basis from now again. Let's now, last but not least, have a look at the Q&T chart. As you can see, this is following my expectation absolutely perfect. I got the expectation on the chart since the beginning of January that this is an overall ABC correction towards the downside. So I placed already, when we were here, those two target areas on the chart for you. The first one we did reach perfectly, the second one not yet. But I'm guessing that since we saw a triangle pattern here, and in my opinion, this was the wave 4 triangle of this C wave down, the wave 5 should have started from here. And since this is an ending the original in a wave C, I'm guessing that it will be a 3-wave move. So this was the A wave, the B wave, and we are right now as well in the C wave. And from this C wave, we also saw a wave 1, 2, 3, and 4. So the only part which is now missing for Bitcoin, Ethereum, and QNT is a wave 5 of C towards the downside to finish off a huge ABC correction. If we are seeing that, I will close down my shorts, I will open some long positions. And if you don't want to miss out on that in the future, leave a subscription down below this channel, activate the small little bell so you will always get notified when I upload a new video here for you on this channel. Thank you so much, guys, and I hope we will see each other in the next video here on this channel as well. Ciao, ciao.